LG's direct drive washing machine has its motor attached directly to the center of the drum, which results in increased stability with minimum vibration. The unique 6-motion control technology rotates the drum at various speeds and directions for an amazing wash. The high-speed processor controls the DD motor, allowing you to wash with 6 types of motion. Here are a couple of examples how different motions work on different types of fabric. The stepping function uses a powerful torrent of falling water to remove dirt and stains on more heavy-duty items such as jeans. Similar to washing by hand, the gentle motion of the swing function allows you to clean delicate clothing without the worry of them being damaged.
Courts, quality brands, great choice. Why go anywhere else?